Why does reversing battery polarity reverse motor direction? At first, it feels almost magical. You connect a battery to a DC motor and it spins in one direction. Then you swap the battery wires and the motor suddenly spins the opposite way. Nothing else changes. Same motor, same battery. So what really causes this reversal? The answer lies in how electricity and magnetism work together inside the motor. Inside a DC motor, there are permanent magnets that create a fixed magnetic field and a coil of wire called the armature. When electric current flows through this coil, it produces its own magnetic field. The motor spins because a force is created between the magnetic field of the magnets and the magnetic field produced by the current in the coil. This force follows a simple physical rule. The direction of force depends on the direction of current flow. Change the current direction and the force direction changes too. When the battery is connected one way, current flows through the coil in one direction and the motor rotates forward. When you reverse the battery polarity, the current direction reverses, the magnetic field of the coil flips, and the force acting on the coil flips as well. As a result, the motor spins in the opposite direction. The magnets inside the motor stay the same, only the direction of current changes. In brushed DC motors, the brushes and commutator are designed to keep the motor running smoothly, not to control direction. Direction is controlled entirely by battery polarity. That is why simply swapping the battery wires is enough to reverse the motor. It is not magic. It is the natural result of how electric current and magnetic fields interact to create motion.